Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register in D.C. First, you'll need to confirm your eligibility for D.C. residency. This typically involves living in the district for a certain period. Next, prepare your essential documents, such as a valid ID and proof of address. Finally, we'll navigate the online registration system, making the process straightforward and efficient for you. Let's get started. To register in D.C., you'll need a few key documents. Start with a valid government-issued photo ID, like your driver's license or state ID. You'll also need 2 proofs of residency, such as a lease agreement, a utility bill, or a bank statement, all showing your D.C. address. Don't forget to have your social security number handy, as it's often required for official registrations. Gathering these beforehand saves a lot of time. The easiest way to register is through the official D.C. government website. Once there, locate the registration section and begin filling out the online application form. Be sure to enter all your information accurately to avoid delays. You'll then be prompted to upload digital copies of your identification and residency proofs. Make sure your scans are clear and legible for easy processing. It's a user-friendly system. After submitting your online registration, you should receive a confirmation email almost immediately. This email will often contain a reference number you can use to track your application. Processing times can vary, but typically take a few business days. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, you can usually check your status directly on the D.C. government website. Congratulations on completing your registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.